chocolate cranberry bars. This bar cookie combines a rich, buttery shortbread crust with tart cranberries and sweet chocolate. The first step is to combine 1 3/4 cups flour with 6 tablespoons of granulated sugar and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Give everything a good whisk with a fork or a whisk, and then add half a cup of melted butter. If you're using unsalted butter, you want to add a pinch of salt to that dry mixture before stirring in the melted butter. Continue mixing with a fork or a whisk until the mixture forms a crumbly dough and there's very little dry flour and sugar remaining. You'll know it's ready when you can take some in your palm and squeeze it and it holds its shape. Transfer the crumb mixture to a 9 by 13 inch pan that you've lined with parchment paper or greased with butter. Press the mixture evenly in the bottom of the pan and then set it aside. In a food processor or blender, combine the cranberries, remaining sugar, and remaining half teaspoon of cinnamon. Give this mixture a good spritz. You want the cranberries chopped but not liquefied. Transfer the chopped cranberries to a mixing bowl and stir in the chocolate chips. Spoon the cranberry and chocolate mixture over your unbaked crust. Bake at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Cool slightly, and then melt the 2 ounces of white chocolate and drizzle it all over the cranberries and semi-sweet chocolate. Cool completely before cutting into bars, or at least until the chocolate is set. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos and recipes, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.